The owners of Potato Land restaurant have hired enough service to serve 20 tables of customers. The law has allowed 60 total customers. How many 2-seat tables and 4-seat tables do the owners need to purchase? So first we need to write this into an equation. So they need to serve 20 tables of customers. They can have 20 tables of customers, and there can only be 60 total people. So then we need to figure out how many 2-seat tables and how many 4-seat tables. So our first equation over here is going to be 2-seat tables, so 2, and then 2-seat tables are going to be x. So 2x plus 4y equals the 60 people we have. Then from here we're going to have the next equation, which is x plus y equals 20. Because then with the total amount of tables, they should be able to equal 20. So in this equation, we wrote the equation 2x plus 4y equals 60, and then x plus y equals 20. So from there, we're going to use the elimination method, where we are going to make sure that this x is going to be 2x, and then we can just subtract 2x from both sides and get a y equals one of these numbers. So what we have to do is, from here, we have to write the equations again, but 2 times x plus y and 2 times 20, which then becomes 2x plus 4y equals 60, and then 2x plus 2y equals 40. Now, we will make all of these three numbers negative, because we're making this negative, so we can cross that out and get that out of the equation. So this together would be 2y, which is right here, and then this together would be 100. Oh no, since it's negative, it's actually 20. And then we get 2y equals 20. So 2 divided by 2 is y, and then 20 divided by 2 is 10. Now, since y is 10, we're going to plug that back in up here in this equation, x plus y equals 20. So down here, x plus 10, because y is 10, equals 20. We subtract 10 from both sides. And from there, we get x equals 10. So the final answer is x equals 10 and y equals 10. So I'm going to be showing you substitution. So first, what you have to do is write out the equation, which I've already done here. 2x plus 4y equals 60, and x plus y equals 20. So what you're going to do is subtract y from here and y from here, which equals x equals 20 minus y. From there, you're going to plug 20 minus y into this equation right here, 2x plus 4y equals 60, by doing 2 and 20 minus y plus 4y equals 60. Okay? Now what you're going to do for y, negative 2y and 40. 60. So now we're going to subtract 40 from both sides. So that way it can be, and then we're also just going to do negative 2y plus 4y, which equals 2y, 20 on this side. Then you divide 2 on this side to make it just regular y, and divide 2 on that side. Divide 20 by 2. That equals 10. So now we know, right here, that y equals 10. So now we need to figure out the other answer, so we can plug in y equals 10 to this equation right here, x plus y equals 20. So what we're going to do is x plus 10, because y equals 10, equals 20. Subtract 10 from this side. Subtract 10 from this side. X equals 10.
Okay, so these are the slope-intercept form problems. How you put them into it is you put it into y equals mx plus b, and you can see here how I did it. You minus 2x for both sides, then you got 4y equals minus 2x plus 60, divide everything by 4, y equals negative 4.5 x plus 15. Now this one is easier. You just make it y equals negative x plus 20. Okay, so for the graph, I think it would be good if you made it by 5s, and then you start at, for this one, start at 15, and then you go down 1 because it's a negative slope, down 1 and over 2, down 1 over 2. And then it keeps going like that. In this, wait, that can't be right. I drew a bad line. So down 2, like that. And then we got one line. Now for this one, we start at 20 and go down 1 and then over 1, down 1, over 1. So it's also kind of a bad line, but you get the idea. This is where it crosses. So this is where it crosses at 10, 10.